Today I'm going to show you how to make gradient text in CapCut PC, step by step, using a simple method that gives you a clean two-color blend without needing complicated effects or advanced design skills. This is a great trick if you want your captions, titles, or intro text to look more polished and eye-catching inside CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project, or open the project where you want to add your text. The first thing we need to do is create the base text. Go to the text section on the left, then choose default text. Add that text to your timeline and drag it into position where you want it to appear on your video. Once it's on the timeline, click into the text box and type the words you want to use. After that, choose your first color. This will be the bottom or starting color for your gradient effect, so pick any color you want as your base. Now that your base text is ready, the next step is to duplicate the layer. This is what creates the second color overlay that will turn into the top part of the gradient. Hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the text clip directly upward onto the track above it. When you do this, CapCut will copy the text clip, giving you two identical layers stacked on top of each other. Make sure both clips stay perfectly aligned, because if they shift out of place, the gradient effect may not look clean. Next, click on the top text layer and change its color to your second color. This color should contrast or complement the first one, depending on the style you want. For example, you could use pink and purple, blue and cyan, or yellow and orange. The goal is to make the text look like it transitions smoothly from one color into another. At this point, both text clips should still be the same size, font, and position, but each one should have a different color. Now we need to turn that top layer into a compound clip. Right-click only on the top text clip and select Create Compound Clip. This step is important because it lets us treat the top layer as one object, which makes it easier to apply the mask effect. Once the compound clip is created, select it so you can edit it further. With the compound clip selected, look at the top right panel and navigate to Video, then Mask, then choose Split. If Split doesn't look right for your design, you can also try Horizontal, depending on how you want the gradient to flow. This mask is what lets us reveal part of one text color while hiding the other, creating that smooth blended look. Now comes the part that really makes the gradient effect work. Rotate the mask line until it matches the direction you want your gradient to follow. You can angle it slightly for a diagonal blend, or keep it more straight for a simple top and bottom transition. After that, drag the feather slider outward, or use the small arrow on the preview window if that's easier for you. Increasing the feather softens the edge of the mask so the two colors blend seamlessly instead of looking like a hard split. The more you feather it, the smoother and more natural the gradient will appear. Take a moment to preview your text and adjust the mask position if needed. If the blend is too sharp, increase the feather a little more. If one color is overpowering the other, move the split line until both colors are balanced the way you want. This is the part where a few small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. And that's it. You've just learned how to make gradient text in CapCut PC using a simple layering, compound clip, and mask technique. This method is perfect for YouTube intros, social media edits, short-form content, and any project where you want your text to stand out more. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.